People travel from miles around to come to this place, and I'm going to show you the reason why. This ain't your ordinary motorcycle clothing shop. This place is a legacy built around the mindset of an engineer, where precision, quality and doing everything right matters more than anything. And that's where the magic happens. So why Bikers Paradise? I'll tell you why. Because their gear is good. I've tested it. And I don't intend to do it again. This is my 4th winter in this suit now. Let's go and have a little gander. Oh, I do love that. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, fantastic. The smell in here is just beautiful. The aroma of leather. And I need one of those, because that is just amazing. The quality of that. Oh, that is beautiful. Absolutely lovely. Oh, the smell of this leather. Oh, and that is the same jacket that I wear for my summer gear, the patrol jacket. I'm on my 2nd one because I crashed in my 1st, and it did kind of ruin the sleeve a little bit, but didn't ruin my skin. Now that is a nice jacket. Not cheap, but you are paying for the absolute best quality in this place. And I know. And there's also another man in this shop who's crashed wearing it as well. This is Bill, and he's also tested Bikers Paradise gear. So why do you like to come here, Bill?
Well, I like to come here because it's the best possible quality, and I can prove that from the fact that I've had a slide and the jacket was hardly damaged.
Yeah.
Which is not, you couldn't say that for the bike.
Yeah, I was pretty similar myself.
Yeah, and I mean, to be honest, it didn't even need any repairs, the actual jacket itself, and the jeans as well. And I mean, I was slid along the road about 20 yards or so, going to a heat, and I mean, the tree hit me in the face, knocked my helmet back, and hit me in the nose, and the nose was hanging down, etc. So it was quite a big bang.
Yeah.
You know.
But the gear saved your skin.
Yeah,
so,
absolutely. Yeah, I mean, proof of the pudding, and I'm still wearing the gear now. So
excellent, and that's exactly my reasons as well.
Yeah.
So
I
tried
mean,
and tested.
These guys have been making this stuff since what, 1971. Malcolm and Alec, who obviously started the business off, they were really passionate about the business, as indeed the whole family is.
Yes, and it shows in the quality.
It really does. I mean, and when you come up here, it's like visiting friends, really. You know, it's not like going to some of these horrible shops.
Yeah. Another great thing about this place is they do custom bespoke fitting. If you find something you like and it's not quite fitting you right, it's not a problem.
Yes. Yeah, so that length is good on you. So we just got to measure. If you're on your bike, you're kind of like that. So those sleeves are a perfect length.
You can see what I mean about the difference it makes, though, can't you?
Yes.
You're going to have to go for made to measure, aren't we?
Yes, we are. Yeah. Well, that's fine because that's what we're famous for, is our made to measure. So there's no such thing as a standard size.
Exactly.
You know, if you fit into a standard size jacket, then that's all very good, which a lot of people do. But if you need to just have a bit of a tweak somewhere, whether it's sleeve length, shoulder width, around the bust, or your hips, we can do that at Just a bit of an extra charge, but obviously that's understandable.
Yeah.
But you get something that fits you then, it'll last you for years, that's the main thing.
Yes.
If you're going to do it, just get it right.
Yeah,
Do you want to go down and try the bike then?
Yes, we'll
With
go down and
with
sit on
that
the
black
bike.
lady.
The size fits, and I'd have my gloves on.
That's
Yeah.
good. So the actual length of it's quite good on you there as well, look.
And that'll only feel better the more it moulds to your shape.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I can feel the shoulders are really comfy with that as well.
Yeah, you've got the back armour in there as well on your shoulders and your
Yeah.
elbows, so that will all just mould as it gets warmer. It's like
Yeah.
your waistcoat, you know the waistcoat you've got on underneath.
Mhm.
You probably noticed with wearing it, it's got more supple as you the more
Absolutely.
you wear it.
Yeah, no, it's
Yeah.
brilliant.
So these are special Kevlar scissors that actually are made to cut Kevlar. Any of the normal scissors can't get through the Kevlar.
Things like this are really satisfying to watch.
They're actually quite satisfying to do as well.
Yeah, I bet.
It's nice to give the customer the full service, knowing that they're going out with something that fits them perfectly. Because we like to serve you properly the good old-fashioned way, not let you just pick things off the shelf yourself and wing it.
Yeah, and that's
we
one
make
of the reasons I like to come here.
Yeah, we make sure things fit you properly, so that should the worst case scenario happen, you are completely safe in what you've got on.
The customers that are here, Bill and is it Susie?
Susie, yeah,
They've actually travelled all the way from Norfolk, I believe.
they have, and we've got somebody else coming from Norfolk this afternoon as well, which is quite a coincidence.
Well, I think that says a lot about your quality
It does.
and your service.
Take the same up all the way around, give them a finish on the hem.
Someone else has just arrived from Norfolk. Everyone's from Norfolk today in here. So, what's your name?
My name's John,
Hello, John. And why do
and
you
we're,
like Bikes
we're from
Paradise?
Kings Lynn. I've come to get a new jacket, a warrior, and jeans, leather jeans,
And
warrior.
why do you choose Bikers Paradise?
I bought a jacket here 20 years ago, and it's still brilliant, but I'm putting on a bit of a bit of weight, so
Yeah,
yeah, I
well,
want a new one.
that's a fair reason. Excellent. There you go. What can we say?
Thank you.
This might be a
This is Michelle, who is the
Hello.
daughter of the original owner of this place.
Yes.
So would you like to tell everyone a little bit about it?
Yeah, so basically the owners were my dad, Malcolm Anstey, and then Alec Metcalf, who was a next door neighbour growing up. And originally they used to do party plan with suede and leather along with my mum and Alec's wife Anita. My dad was an engineer, Alec was a draftsman, so they decided they wanted to not stay in a factory all their life. So it started off in the garage, making fashion leathers, and then after many successful years, my dad was a biker, so they decided to branch out to specialise in motorbike gear, because the whole idea that they wanted to be able to make a really good standard of leather jacket, a motorbike jacket, that was affordable to riders, so riders could afford to be safe. So that's exactly what they did. All their jackets are meticulously designed with the engineer standard in mind, and so became Bikers Paradise. We've been here, it's 54 years old now, the company, and then Alec passed away in 2017, and then my dad passed away in 2021. So unfortunately, we sort of hit times along with the grief. It was very difficult to carry on, so we decided to try and sell the business. Couldn't find a suitable owner because it's got such a good reputation over the years. The company has. We've got a lot of followers, and if it was going to be sold to anybody, it had to be the right person. But unfortunately, the people that we saw were, we know they were going to be bringing substandard things in under the Bikers Paradise name, which we wouldn't have allowed to happen. So we decided to close down, purely for the grief and the stress of running a company that you've not been involved in, obviously, like my dad and Alec were. So the staff, Perry just walked past there, she's been here for 25 years. So the staff sort of helped us to keep running the business. And in the end, we started a closing down sale, and then we also do bike repairs as well. And we had a man come in called Will Norman. He came in for a jacket repair, and he was horrified because he's bought from us for years. He was horrified to find we were closing down. So, long story short, between my sister and I and Will, tried to find a way to keep the business running. So that's what we're doing at the moment. So we had to get word back out that the company was still going and we were back up and running. And that here we are for nearly 5 years now. So yeah, that's the background.
Yes, and I remember when the future was looking uncertain, and that was when I came here and I bought all of my gear, and I'm still wearing it. This is almost 4 years on now, and this is why I keep coming back when I have to. Yeah, this is Susie, who's come with her dad Bill to get some gear fitted.
Yes.
So, I believe you also run a Facebook group as well.
Yep, Norfolk Bikers UK.
There you go. You know what to do. So tell us, how's your experience been so far?
Really good. The staff are really friendly and very knowledgeable. When they were measuring up the jackets, because I had to have this bespoke fitting, I found one I really liked, and they've taken care to make sure the measurements are exact, and they're doing it while I'm here, so I don't need to come back on another journey. Plus also there's so much stock here, it's definitely worth coming and having a look, even for a browse.
I know will you be wearing it zipped into your jacket?
No.
No, you won't. You haven't in a second.
No, if they drop down a bit, I have a hard time getting them. They go with the bloody.
You happy with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good.
Lovely.
So there we go. Real riders, real stories, real quality.